Hello students, in this session I am going to explain Hello World program in Python. This is the first program in every programming language. Now how to do it in Python? Let us see. The first line here I have written like comment in Python. You have to start comment with the help of hash symbol in Python language. Here I have started like hash and this is a single line comment like Python program to display hello world. For multi-line comment, you can use a multi-line string type in Python, that is triple quote, but that is not actually the comment. Okay, that part I will explain in any other session, but here just try to understand this is a comment. Comment will be ignored at the time of execution of a program. Now here Python program to display hello world, this is a comment and that I have started with hash symbol and I have written only a one single line like print, and in double quotes I have written the message like hello world. After the execution of this program, the hello world will get displayed onto the output screen. Now I just want to compare this program with other programming languages. Suppose you want to do the hello world program in C, in C++ or Java, how it will be? The first thing is here in case of C, suppose you want to display the hello world, you have to write such a lengthy code. In case of C++ or Java, again the same thing is there. In C, we have to include the stdio.h header file, and in main function, you have to just write printf hello world. For using this printf, you have to compulsory include stdio.h header file. Only then you can use this printf function. Now this is the code in C language. If you want to do the same task in C++, you have to include that iostream header file and you have to write just using namespace std. And in main method you have to use cout, then insertion operator and hello world. After using this cout statement, you will get that hello world message displayed onto the output screen. For using this cout, this iostream should be included, because that cout is an object of ostream class and that ostream class is present in iostream. Okay, and that object is again present in iostream, and that's why to just display hello world you have to write this lengthy code. Okay, in C++ also. Now if you want to do the same thing in Java, you know in C, C++, Java the comment style is same, like you can use double forward slash for single line comment style. Okay, hello world Java program. Here I have created one class program1 and inside that I am writing that public static void main, that is a main method in Java. And here system.out.println and hello world. Using this statement you can get that hello world message displayed onto the output screen. Now you can compare this Python program with these programming languages, then you will get idea about how much Python is simple. In the next session we will see that variable and data types, all those concepts like tokens in Python. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.